Hello! So if you've watched a recent video I've created about microbits and LEDs, I had the microbit flashing an LED. This one instead I've used the buttons to control the LED. So if I press button A, the LED switches on, and if I press button B, I can switch off the LED. So we've got an on and an off. Like that. So very simple circuit using the pins on the microbit. Let's get coding. So to code our LED project with the buttons, this will look similar if you've coded a previous LED project, except we're not going to need on start or forever. Instead, we're going to go to input and on button A pressed. We're then going to go to the advanced section and choose pins and digital write pin 0, 2 and make this pin 0 to 1. Then I'm going to duplicate this, change this to B and change this to 0. So that means on button A is going to turn on button B it's going to turn off. Very simple. Download this onto the microbit and watch the next bit of the video to see how you connect it. Now remember, if you're connecting up your LED, you want the long end of the LED, so this is this one here, the positive leg, to be connected to the pin, and then the negative leg can be connected through a resistor to ground. Like you can see here. Build this, see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.